Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make table of contents in Google Docs. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. We have such a document. In order to make a table of contents for it, we need to inform Google Docs, where we have headings and subheadings, so that Google Docs can format them correctly and then add them to the table of contents. We can do this using the headings format in the document. If we click the normal text button, a list with many options will open. We are interested in the headings. When setting up the table of contents, Google Docs will place all text that has a heading format at the same importance level. Heading 1 is the highest level, heading 2 is the second highest, and so on. Any heading used under a higher level heading will be treated as a subheading. For example, if you put this text in heading 1 and this one in heading 2, Google Docs will see the first sentence as the main heading and the second as the subheading for the first. There are two ways we can create headings. We select any place where we need a heading and then select its type and enter it. And if the text is already typed, as in our case, we simply select it and select the heading. After selecting all the headings, we can create a table of contents. Click the Insert tab, then Table of Contents, and select the desired type of table of contents. As you can see, Google Docs not only created the table of contents, but also formatted it based on the headings we used. When you add a new heading or modify an existing one, the table of contents doesn't update itself. It just needs a little help. After you have finished changing or adding the text, right-click the table of contents and select Update Table of Contents. Or click the Update button next to the table when you select it. To delete a table of contents, click on it, click these three dots on the left side and select Remove Table of Contents. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.